Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my pens, pencils, and more subscription by Avant agenda. So I have not even opened it or peeked. Everything always comes in a nice little bag, and then you get a plastic envelope as well. So the first thing we got is the Kuretake Clean Color Dot double-sided marker. I wonder if I have some paper down here. Oh, she's got it on the back. So let me see if I can get into this one, and then I will show you what it looks like. I think this one is black. This is water-based pigment. There we go. So if you haven't seen one of the Kuretake dot pens, it's just so you can put a dot like a bullet. You're doing a bullet journal, and then it is double-sided, so the other side is very small. So super handy. And then the next one we got is the Cocuo Mark and Dual Color Highlighter in gray. I'm going to go with this one. Mark Plus 2-ton color marker. You will either receive pink or blue. And I received the blue. It's a 2-tone color marker. So as you put it down, you can, or I guess you could just do it on the blue side or on the gray side. So super cute, different. So there is that one. And then you get the Dell Unique Design Gel Pen. Dell Unique Design Gel Pen, and it is in the 0.55 milliliters, so it's a needle point. Love that. Dell Unique Gel Pen. It writes very smooth. And I like that it has a little grip thing there on it. And then we get the M&G Gel Pen. M&G. That would be this one. M&G Gel Pen, black ink, white body. Black gel ink with a fine tip needle. Clear body with a white core, 0.5 millimeters. Again, it is a needle point, which you know I love. I don't want to take the end off yet until I use it. So there is that one. And then you get the Uniball Jetstream ballpoint pen in 0.38. So there is the tip on that one. Uniball. And it is blue ink. It's not one of my favorites, though. I don't know if I'll keep this one. It's just not, it's not as smooth as the Dell Unique. And then we get the Ximen mechanical pencil in 0.5 millimeters. It's a 2B hard. It is a light blue body, a slim pencil with a comfortable grip, and capped eraser in a soft pastel blue body. And there is the lead on that one. And then the eraser is on there. So, and it's like a kind of a, not waxy, but like a rubbery grip to it, so that's nice. We'll put mechanical pencil. Not super dark, so it's only a 2B hardness. So there is that. And then the last thing we get is Bobo correction tape. Blue body. This correction tape comes in a transparent plastic film in an enclosed case with a pull cap, ensuring the tape will stay clean and feed smoothly. Oh, cute. So yeah, super nice. So that is the pens, pencils, and more for March. And here we can see if I can do this on here. You can see that it covers up very nicely. So there is the Bobo correction tape, and you get 5 millimeters by 5 millimeters by 6 meters. You get 6 meters of correction tape. So that is the March pens, pencils, and more from Avant Agenda. And have a couple more haul videos to show you, so stay tuned for those. And I'll be back soon with another planner, crafty, or beauty video.